Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by putting both AirPods into their case. Do that now. Once seated, close the lid. AirPods enter a low-power sleep state, which effectively stops audio and conserves charge. Make sure you're near the paired device so you can disconnect cleanly. If you want them off for good right now, open your phone's Bluetooth list and tap Disconnect. You're doing this to avoid background audio and preserve battery life. Simple and fast. Continue by disconnecting from each paired device so the AirPods won't auto-reconnect. On an iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the AirPods and choose Disconnect or forget this device if you want a longer break. On a Mac, use the Bluetooth menu to disconnect, then close the case to make them sleep. For Android, open Bluetooth settings and disconnect or unpair. Once done, make sure Bluetooth won't immediately reconnect. Turn off Auto Reconnect or toggle Bluetooth off temporarily to be certain. Finish by confirming the AirPods are idle. Close the case and check the LED. Green or amber indicates charge, but closed case keeps them sleeping. If you need a full reset, open the lid and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. This forgets pairings and stops persistent connections. If they still reconnect unexpectedly, toggle your device's Bluetooth or reboot the device. Make sure the case has enough charge, because low battery can prevent normal sleep or resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.